Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome to the channel where today I'm going to be giving you guys a sneak peek at the two latest TVs that I've been sent, which are both 2020 models. And this is just a short video before I get underway the unboxing and testing out of both of them. Now, before I get started, I just want to say a massive thanks to the guys at box.co.uk for sending over both of these TVs to test out, because if it wasn't for those guys sending me these TVs, I wouldn't be able to make these videos for you guys at home. So thanks very much to them. So without further ado, let's take a look at these TVs. And there they are. So, as I said, they are both 2020 models and different ends of the pricing range. So, on the left-hand side, we have a Samsung Q80T QLED TV, 55 inch. So this one is, at the moment, I think it's about £1,500 thereabouts. And yeah, so, you know, a high-end TV, especially as far as price is concerned. We will see what the quality is like once we get that unboxed in the future video. But then we've got also the other end of the scale. So this is another 55 inch and this is an 8 series TV. And I think these come in at about £600, I think it is £599. So as you know, you're looking at about, yeah, £900 difference between the two. So I think it's going to be quite interesting viewing when I unbox them, because I'm going to be doing them separately so we can see what the build quality is like between them. And obviously, you know, testing out the picture quality, what's the viewing angles like, what's the brightness like between them and things like that. You know, any suggestions you guys have got between these two TVs, then drop me a message in the comment section and, you know, I'll see what I can do. Now, I will be putting links in the description for both of these TVs, so anyone out there who wants to go and buy one right now before they've seen my unboxing videos, then you can do so. Also, that link will take you to all the other 2020 Samsung TVs. And just one final thing that I thought of with this QLED here is that I might put it to the test up against my 2019 Q90R. So that could be an interesting comparison to see, you know, if things have improved or got worse in the next generation of QLED TVs. This is like a model below, but still would be interesting to put them side by side. Let me know what you think. So there you have it then, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video today, and if you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of the same in the future, including loads of other tech and other 2020 model TVs, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell icon, because otherwise you ain't going to be notified of my latest uploads. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on next one. Bye for now.